Hey guys, Seth here with ALE Truck Beds. Today we're going to go over a couple different bodies here. These are the Martin Truck Bodies Landscape MP models, MP Landscape models. These are two really cool bodies. We put a lot of these on. These here are kind of upfitted a little bit special for what they're going to be used for. Keep in mind, both of these are on pickup delete trucks. So these are on a truck that came with a factory bed on it. We pulled the factory bed off, and now we put the dump body on. We're going to walk through this. We're just going to show you kind of the cool features on these bodies here, and some different add-ons that are on here as well. So this body here comes standard with your 3 fold-down sides. This body here, we upgraded to an 18-inch side rather than a 14-inch side. Then also, we upgraded the inner liners to be 3/16 rather than 1/8 inch. That kind of just gives it a heavier construction. Works out really good if you're putting heavy landscape materials in there. So as you can see here, both sides do fold down. You can lock them up. Just have a pin on each end. If you do need to take them off, you can remove them by 9 screws. The tailgate on the back, you can reverse this so that way you can tailgate if you did need to. But it does have this really nice, and it's got chains there to catch. So that way you can just throw it down. A lot of guys are using these as their everyday crew trucks. They're putting grass clippings in here, rake, shovels, whatever they need for the day. Since this is a pickup delete model, we did use the factory receiver hitch on this, and then we also put a ICC bumper under there just to finish it off and keep up with the walls. We do have the factory reverse camera here with our eyebrow. And then this one's a little bit different. This gets a different plug than what most of them do. All LED, stop, tail, turn, and reverse. And this would be a sealed wiring harness. This body here does not have any lights in the headache rack, but that is an additional option if you would like that. We put splash guards on this in the front. Now these are welded to the body, so when you dump the body, those will go up. We put anti-sails on here so that keeps the mud flaps from going back and hitting the muffler. This is a really cool body here, really popular. This is in the down position. Let's walk over and look at it in the up position, kind of look at the hoist. So the hoist here is made by Martin Truck Bodies as well. They make this, they call this their 2030 hoist. It's going to bolt right down to the existing truck perches, and comes with a Bucher double acting pump, so it's going to be power up, power down. Another cool thing, Martin always sends a fuel spot around, or fuel filler spot, so that way it makes it easy to route the fuel filler. Has your safety prop in there as well. Another thing too is Martins do a cushion ride. So this is a rubber cushion in between. So that way it's not slamming all the time. Your splash guards here. And then your mud flaps. All Martin bodies come prepped for mud flaps. So they have a unistrut under there. So we can put our mud flaps on there and kind of adjust them accordingly as far as how the muffler is going to go and how it's going to ride best. As you can see, this is a pickup truck frame, so it does not have a flat frame. It has the dip in it, so that will be different than what a cabin chassis truck is. I will post a video of how you can tell the difference in a cabin chassis truck and a pickup delete truck, so watch for that. In the meantime, if you have any more questions about any of these bodies, guys, feel free to reach out to us, 330-933 7526, or check us out at aletruckbeds.com. Check out our Facebook page, guys. We're always updating that, showing you different builds that we're doing, different things we offer. Check that out. Give us a call for more options. We can put strobe lights on these, work lights, toolboxes we can add to it. You name it, we can add it to these. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next one.